Sanity, need you to remind me where I come from. Can you remind me of my gravity? Ground me when I'm tumbling, spiraling, plummeting down.
Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video we're going to be talking all about my hair. This unit I'm wearing right now is from RPGSHOW.com. This is the box that it came in. I did order it during the Christmas holiday season, so that is why it is the red box and not the usual black box, if you're familiar with RPGSHOW. So I am currently wearing the unit right now. I'm first going to tell you guys what comes inside of the box. Inside the box you get a bag which your unit will come inside of. This is so cute. I love it. It kind of reminds me of like when you go to the cleaners and they put your clothes in the bag. So this is just a little bag and it just has a zipper and your unit will come inside. Your unit also will have a net around it inside of this bag. Okay, so that's really great because you can reuse this bag when you want to store your unit for later. They also included a brush inside of it. Really cute. It is leopard, pink and black, and then it's just a brush that says RPGSHOW. Super cute and handy. And then you also get a wig cap. They provide you with a wig cap. There's two caps that come in this package. I thought that was really cool, so you don't have to run out to the beauty supply store. It comes right inside of your package. The next thing I noticed inside of my RPGSHOW box is an elastic band. How convenient is that? And for all my ladies that wear units, you know just how important this is. And this is a good amount of elastic. Really durable, because I usually purchase my elastic like from Michael's or like some type of craft store, but I find it so convenient that it comes right inside the box. So whether you're doing your hair yourself or you're going to your stylist to get it installed, everything you need comes right here in the box. So I just think that is so convenient, and I really appreciate RPGSHOW for that. You also get a RPGSHOW magazine. It has some how-to information, maintenance information, customer reviews about their units, and then on the back it says something about winning a free unit. So I haven't got a chance to look at this, but I'll definitely be diving into it to see, you know, any tips or tricks. Okay, so let's talk about the unit that I have on now. I have the 200 density 20-inch Love Taji 004-S. I'll put that information at the bottom of the screen. The hair color is natural. The hair length is 20 inches. Hair texture is silky. And my hairline came pre-plucked, which was very well done. The lace color is light brown. Cap construction is a cap B lace front wig cap, and the cap size is a size 2. Shout out to all my big-headed girls. Yeah, that's all the information about my unit. It was free shipping, and I'll leave the link below so you guys can go directly to the unit, because the price differs depending on what length you get, and any type of additional customizing that you apply to the wig also determines how much it actually will be. So let's talk about shipping. My wig came within about 4 days. It was really quick shipping. I do imagine if you have any type of customization to it that it will take a little bit longer to come, because that, you know, changes the processing time. But my unit is pretty basic, so I didn't have to have that long of a processing time. So I've been wearing this unit for about 3 weeks. When I initially got it, I took it to my stylist. She washed my natural hair, braided it down, and applied the unit. She did customize it to my hairline, although she did not have to do that much plucking, because like I stated, it is pre-plucked. This unit is so beautiful and so realistic. I get so many compliments on it. This unit comes with 4 inches of lace in the front. So it is a lace front unit. It is not a full lace unit. I don't feel like I need a full lace unit because the styles that I do usually go from here to here. And I have 4 inches of lace here. There is a little bit of lace in the back, but from the 4 inches to the end where the little lace begins in the back, the tracks are wefted. I feel like it gives you a very natural look because of the 4 inches of lace. But I'm like a side part girl, so this is just how I style it. It's so convenient, so easy, so flat, and so natural looking. So about the unit and my experience with it. Like I said, I've been wearing it for about 3 weeks. In those 3 weeks, I've washed it once a week. Minimum tangling. I do get a little bit of shedding when I'm washing it, but to me, I don't mind a little bit of shedding because my natural hair sheds when I wash it. So I don't have a problem with a little bit of shedding. So I'm gonna get up and show you guys the length. So this is the length. And I am 5'3", so comes to like quite past under boob. If you're interested in full lace units, that is something that they offer. Just check out their website and skim through. They have so many units. They do custom color, custom cut. It's such an amazing company. Like, I don't have any complaints about this, and I'll definitely be purchasing from RPGSHOW again. I just love it. So those are my thoughts on the RPGSHOW 200 Density Lace Front Wig. If you have any questions, please leave them below in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.